Welcome to Goddard Adventure. In this episode, we take our lifted 2024 Honda Passport and our lifted 2007 Honda Pilot on the Overland South obstacle course. Be sure to stay to the end to see our surprise canned food challenge, and leave a comment below if you think my family and the Hondas did pretty well. Hope you guys enjoy this adventure.
All right, Mommy and Isaac are here.
Yeah.
And Isaac's going to be riding in the front seat for the first time. He's going to get to have a little bit of a fun adventure while we go on a little night ride.
All right, so Isaac's going to record you and Eli's going to record me, right?
Sure. Don't you have the camera?
So we're going to, no, it didn't really work out. So we're going to go do our annual Overland South obstacle course night scouting. I've been told that they made the obstacle course even bigger, even crazier.
Oh my gosh. Guys, it's getting a little bit more bumpy. Man, I could put it like this.
Yeah, that's not going to be very easy for us to do in our Hondas.
Uh-oh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's it. Not gonna be too.
As you can see, the beginning of the 2024 Overland South obstacle course definitely was more intense than last year. We decided to press forward and check out the rest of the course. Be sure to check out the next episode where we take on the beginning of the obstacle course with our lifted Hondas.
We should go walk up that. Are we gonna go?
A little bit.
Are you wanting me to follow you right now?
I don't know. It looks like you can make it, but
Ooh. It's hard to film when you're up over these bumps.
oh, we did belly out a little bit. Why don't you wait and then I'll video you?
Okay, that's cool.
Is this the hard part, Dad?
This is where we bottomed out before, but it's pretty flat at the moment.
Yeah. And then my favorite part of this. Finley just fell down on my book bag. Wait, are we really going up this? Ah! Finley! Are you ready to go on an adventure? The stuff in the obstacle course was a little too hard for us, and we couldn't do it.
Well,
It
we didn't
looked a
try it,
little
buddy.
too hard,
We didn't really try it.
and we didn't think we could do it.
He looks so cool up there.
Yeah, we did pull it up pretty cool. All right, let's see what you can do. What mode are you in? I think sand mode.
Ah!
All right, sand mode. It's on.
Okay. And put it in sport mode so you get first gear. So the Pilot touched the belly a couple times. We'll have to see if the, yep, still touched a little bit.
Oh no! What was that?
A little bit. Gotta keep driving, you're in the middle now. Oh, I think. All right, looks like you made it, honey.
Guys, Eli just said he wanted to
Line
take
it
a
up
nap.
nicely, then you might be able to get the lights to shine on us and get some good
I think they're going, guys. This is going to be cool to watch. What? Eli! I think he's alright.
You climbed up, honey.
Is it a cool picture?
It's pretty cool how your headlights are shining up into the distance. Well, the Overland South crew really built that obstacle course up. We really don't have high hopes that we're going to be able to do much of any of it, probably. But there's still a lot of good trail riding we can do, and there's a night trail ride tonight that we might do. I am feeling pretty tired though.
I am too.
How about you, Eli?
Yeah, I've been trying to. I've been wanting to pass out. To pass out while me and Dad do it. Oh no.
Thanks for watching this episode of Got Our Adventure. We hope you guys like and subscribe to stick around for our next adventures. The next episode will feature the rest of the events of Overland South and more off-roading. I wonder if our Hondas are going to make it. See you guys later.
You're
Aaron?
digging in a little bit here.
All right, ready?
No, don't. Okay. Woo!
All right, so we had a daddy special here tonight. We had macaroni and tuna, and because it's just real easy to make. But when I was at the store, I found these canned giant squid pieces.
You picked the stinkiest foods ever.
I don't know. I like the kids and I like sardines, especially like mustard covered sardines. But anyways, I think that this is fun to try. I don't have high hopes personally, but we're gonna give this a shot here.
I don't have high hopes either.
All right, let's see what it looks like. I don't even know what it's gonna look like. All right,
It's gonna look like little.
That made no sense.
sunflower and olive oil. Here we go.
Look like.
So ridiculous.
Oh, I didn't see this.
Ooh, it looks like squid.
It looks so weird.
All right, give me that fork, Isaac.
Probably
I'm gonna
good
try
with
it.
nice
Eat it.
pasta.
Can I
don't know
try
about
it first?
eating
Yeah.
it, I don't know about eating it raw.
I don't want to try
I
this.
think it's cooked.
Cooking
It's
it.
in the.
I know, but having
It's
it in
hard
a
to get.
pasta, I think would be better.
Yeah, I would
Alright.
eat it in pasta, but
Let me show you how it's done, Evan.
he doesn't like it, do you?
Are
That
you
was
serious?
pretty bad.
Bad. That was so bad you made it gagged. You don't think the taste. If Dad gags, I'm gonna gag. So I don't want to do
I was able to
Yeah.
eat a smaller piece. You want to try this one?
Oh, no.
The one that you put in your mouth and spit out?
No, that one's right there.
Oh, okay.
All right, push, push, push.
No, if he
And
spit
you got
it out on that.
You got it. Here.
Oh my gosh, you're spilling it out. Move the pickles, Evan. Save
Oh my,
the pickles.
I'm spilling.
Save the pickles.
I think she's smelling the pickles. Let me smell. Oh, it actually tastes pretty good. I can't smell.
You ready, Eli?
No, I don't want to taste
You got to have a little nibble.
It's bad. No, I don't
One
want
little
to taste
nibble.
The water's bad. It kind of tastes like fish, but it's not that bad.
You ready, honey?
I don't know. Give me a baby piece.
I am.
I was expecting worse.
Do I have to be on camera to eat it?
Okay, the aftertaste is a lot better.
No,
Worse.
you can just make noises.
If you have water, Mom.
All right, ready?
Did anyone else the thing
That's
that
not
aftertaste
funny.
is like
Just kidding.
Mom, here's water for the aftertaste. There's
Oh,
an
yeah, that-
aftertaste.
Tastes
like
like
it.
when
I
Finley made
just
his butt
tasted the
smell out of his
water.
butt, like
I
the
just-
fish butt smell.
I just
Mom,
tasted the water.
That's not the best. Not the best.